Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang 6th generation, guys, between year 2015 and year 2023. If you need to find the windshield wipers, guys, motor fuse, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, why it's super important to test fuses so you don't spend your money and time on parts and problems that do not exist. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything, guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation, from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be, guys, taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So specifically ours is the 5.0 GT 2018 model, but even if you have the 2.3 EcoBoost, it should work as well. We're going to go ahead, open the hood, support it, perfect, just like that. And if we come, guys, okay, right here now, let us show you what we have here specifically. This is the fuse box right there. You can see on the left side of the engine, that's your fuse box. Here you're going to press here, pull up, okay, and that's where, okay, the fuse box is located. Now what do we have here specifically? We need to, okay, guys, see the fuse numbers here, and the relays corresponds to what we have right here in that fuse box. You can see it's like a mirror image of that thing right here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So which one, guys, we need to check now? If you come in that fuse panel right there of 12 fuses, okay, I'm talking about this one right here. You can see this one uses special fuses, guys, okay? Those are expensive. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy each of the fuses and relays from at a really good price, so you don't waste your money, guys, okay, on expensive fuses. But the fuse that we'll need to check will be fuse number 26. So it will be that fuse here. And if you come right there, that will be that 25 amp fuse right there. That's the fuse that we'll need to check, okay, specifically, guys, for the windshield wipers. So if they still don't work, we'll have a video how to replace windshield wiper motor coming on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.